Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back. Today we are moving to sample paper 3 of the NOF Science Champions League. We will discuss all 40 questions with answers and I will explain you each and every question. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1. Observe the images and identify role of the lion, zebra and vulture in this ecosystem. A. Predator, prey, scavenger. B. Prey, predator, decomposer. C. Herbivore, omnivore, producer. And D. Carnivore, herbivore and omnivore. The correct answer is option A. The lion hunts and eats other animals, that is predator. And the zebra is eaten by predators, that is prey. And the vulture feeds on dead animals, that is scavenger. This combination forms a healthy food chain. Next question is question number 2. The number of deer and zebra are reducing significantly in a forest. How would this situation affect other animals in the forest? A. There will be plenty of plants for other animals. B. Carnivores will starve. C. Decomposers will decrease. And D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Carnivores like lions depend on deer and zebra for food. If their numbers drop, predators will struggle to get enough food and may even die or migrate. Our next question is question number 3. An animal has a hard shell and no teeth. It can flourish both on land and in winter. And what type of animal is it most likely to be? A. Eel, B. Frog, C. Crocodile and D. Snake. So the correct answer is eel. Our next question is question number 4. Match animals with their types of movement correctly. So let's look at the table, that is bird, fish and snack, bird, swimming, slithering and gliding. So the correct match is option C. Why? Because each animal has a unique way of movement depending on its body structure. Wings for flight, legs for walking and fins for swimming. So one bird for gliding, second that is fish for a swimming and snake for slithering. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 5. Bats also have wings, but these are not considered bird. Why? A. Bats are not actual birds. B. Bats are reptile with wings. C. Bats are mammals. And D. Bats lay very small eggs. The correct answer is option C. Bats give birth to babies and feed them milk, which are mammalian characteristics. Birds lay eggs and have feathers, which bats do not do. So the correct answer is option C. Bats are mammals. Question 6. Why might this person cover their nose? A. To prevent smoke from entering their lungs. B. To cool down their body. C. To absorb more smoke. D. To smell the smoke better. The correct answer is option A. Smoke contains harmful gases and dust which irritate the respiratory system. Covering the nose helps filter the air and protect lungs. Let's move on to the next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7. The small bones in the image connects to give it a S shape. This shape allows A. Balancing while moving backward, B. Bending forward, C. Running faster and D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of these. The S shape of the backbone increases flexibility, helps maintain balance, allows bending forward and backward, and supports body weight during movement. Our next question is question number 8. After running a 100-meter race, Rahul breathes faster. This causes dash work faster. A. Heart and brain. B. Lungs and liver. C. Heart and lungs. And D. Brain and lungs. The correct answer is option C. Running makes muscles need more energy, more oxygen. The lungs breathe faster to take in oxygen and the heart pumps blood faster to deliver it to the muscles. So correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 9. The largest gland in the human body is associated with A. Breathing, B. Thinking, C. Excretion, and D. Digestion. The correct answer is option D. The liver is the largest gland in the human body. It produces bile juice, which helps in digestion of fats and removing toxins from blood. Our next question is question number 10. Mark the statements about sleep true or false. A. Sleep is not important for health. Second, children need more sleep than adults. 3. Sleeping less makes you more active. And fourth, watching TV before bed helps you sleep better. So the correct answer is option D. And why? Because children sleep is important. Second, children need more sleep. Third, sleeping less doesn't make you active. And fourth, screens before bed actually disturb sleep. So this is all statements are false, and only second, children need more sleep is correct. Our next question is question number 11. A Mughal emperor built this monument. Its beautiful stone is being degraded because of factory effluents. Identify the heritage building. A. Sun Temple, B. Taj Mahal, C. Hawa Mahal, and D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Taj Mahal's marble is getting yellow due to factory pollution, acid rain, and smoke particles receding with its surface. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 12. Classify the following as renewable and non-renewable resources: coal, solar energy, wind, and natural gas. A. Renewable coal, non-renewable wind. B. Renewable solar energy, non-renewable coal. C. Renewable coal, non-renewable solar energy. D. Renewable natural gas and non-renewable wind. The correct answer is option B. Why? Coal and natural gas take millions of years to form. Solar and wind are unlimited renewable resources. Our next question is question number 13. What type of natural resource is being used to generate energy here? A. Mineral, B. Non-renewable, C. Fossil, or D. Renewable. The correct answer is option D. The picture shows a hydro, solar, or wind-based system that generates energy naturally from renewable resources. In this picture, you can clearly see use of solar panels which uses sun rays. So it is a renewable resource. Our next question is question number 14. Which pair matches the resource with its correct type? A. Wind to non-renewable, B. Solar energy non-renewable, C. Natural gas non-renewable, and D. Coal renewable. The correct answer is option C. Natural gas forms deep underground over millions of years and cannot be quickly replaced. Our next question is question number 15. People in hills and coastal regions are choosing this setup. What is the advantage of this setup? A. Uses fossil fuel energy, B. Provides renewable energy, C. Prevents soil erosion, and D. Prevent water pollution. The correct answer is option B. Provides renewable energy. Hilly and coastal regions have strong winds, so windmills generate electricity without pollution or fuel. Our next question is question number 16. A region is prone to earthquake. How is the place affected by this condition? A. Submerged land, B. Cracked building, C. Shortage of water, and D. Soil erosion. The correct answer is option B. Earthquakes shake the ground, causing cracks in buildings, roads, and other structures. Our next question is question 17. Identify the event and impact the given image. A. Water pollution, clean the nearby river. B. Air pollution, install filters in chimneys. C. Noise pollution, plant more trees. And D. Soil pollution, collect the factory waste. So the correct answer is option B, as clearly you can see a factory from whose chimney the pollution is coming out, the bad air is coming out. So air pollution, install filters in chimneys. Our next question is question number 18. Identify the event which is not a natural calamity. A. Tornado, B. Earthquake, C. Soil erosion, and D. Tsunami. The correct answer is option C. Soil erosion is a slow environmental process, not a sudden disaster like quakes or tsunamis. Question number 19. Match the types of pollution with their effects. So let's have a look at the table. air pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution. And column B has poor crop, bronchitis, and loss of hearing. So if we match the correct answers, the correct answer is option C. Why? Because air pollution is bronchitis. Second, that is noise pollution is loss of hearing. And third, that is soil pollution is poor crop. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 20. If factories continue to dump waste into rivers, what might happen in the future? A. Increase in aquatic life. B. Water becomes unfit for drinking. C. Soil becomes fertile. And D. Rivers become cleaner. The correct answer is option B. Water becomes unfit for drinking. Chemical waste like aquatic life pollutes water and makes it unsafe for drinking. Question number 21. Statement 1. The moon has craters. Statement 2. The moon has no atmosphere to protect it from meteoroids. A. Statement 1 is correct. B. Statement 2 is correct. C. Both the statements are correct. And D. Both the statements are incorrect. So the correct option is option C. Because moon has no atmosphere to burn meteoroids, so they directly hit the surface forming craters. Question 22. Sunrays falling on the moon can be visible on the earth as A. Eclipse, B. Phase of moon, C. Shooting star, or D. Blood moon. The correct answer is option B. Phase of moon. We see moonlight because sunlight reflects off the moon, creating different phases. The next question is question 23. The planet is also known as the red planet. It is A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Mercury, or D. Jupiter. The correct answer is option B. Mars appears reddish due to iron-rich dust on its surface. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 24. Select the odd one out. A. Earth, B. Mercury, C. Moon, and D. Jupiter. The correct answer is option C. All others are planet, whereas the moon is a natural satellite. So Earth, Mercury, and Jupiter are planets. Question number 25. Which of the arrangements of heavenly bodies causes solar eclipse? A. Sun to Moon, Earth, Sun, Earth, Moon, C. Moon, Earth, Sun, and D. Mars, Pole Star, and Sun. The correct answer is option A. Moon blocks sunlight from reaching Earth, creating a shadow. So option A is correct. Sun to Moon, then it reaches Earth. Question 26. A balloon is filled with air and tied. When pressed, it changes shape but regains its original shape when released. What property of matter does this demonstrate? A. Density, B. Hardness, C. Elasticity, and D. Solubility. The correct answer is option C. Elastic materials stretch and return to original shape. Question number 27. Which of these materials are best to make handle of a saucepan? A. Wood, B. Plastic, C. Metal, and D. Glass. So the correct answer is option C. Why? So because scientifically metal heat better, so that's why. I have to explain this question again. Insulates heat better. Wood. Okay. Again. Question 27. Which of these materials are best to make handle of a saucepan? A. Wood, B. Plastic, C. Metal, or D. Glass. The correct answer is option C. Metal. Metal insulates heat better. Our next question is question number 28. Identify the odd one out based on material properties. A. Copper wire, B. Plastic bottle, C. Iron rod, and D. Aluminium foil. The correct answer is option D. Aluminium foil is thin and flexible, unlike other strong rigid materials. So copper wire, plastic bottle, and iron rod are strong. Meanwhile, aluminium foil is thin and flexible. Question number 29. Identify the mismatch. A. Rubber, elastic. B. Cotton, soft. C. Glass, transparent. And D. Plastic, liquid. The correct answer is option D. Plastic is not liquid, it is a solid material. Question number 30. Which group correctly categorizes materials based on the state of matter? A. Stone, wood, oil are gases. B. Water, milk, ice are solids. C. Air, steam, oxygen are gases. And D. Sugar, metal and oil are liquid. The correct answer is option C. Air, steam and oxygen are gases. All three are gases. Question number 31. You notice that your GPS device is not working properly. What could be the reason? A. The device is broken. B. A satellite might be temporarily out of position. C. There is bad weather near your location. And D. The sun has set. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because GPS works using satellite signals. If a satellite is off position, signal becomes weak. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 32. If a solar panel is used to generate electricity, why would it be less effective on a cloudy day? A. Solar panels don't work on cloudy days. B. Cloud blocks some sunlight from reaching the panels. C. Cloud reflect light away from Earth completely. And D. Clouds make solar panels absorb water. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because solar panels need direct sunlight. Clouds reduces the amount of reach them. So the correct answer is option B. Question 33. A ball rolls down the hill due to A. Magnetic force, B. Muscular force, C. Gravitational force, and D. Frictional force. The correct answer is option C. That is gravitational force. Gravity pulls object towards Earth's center, causing downhill motion. So correct answer is option C. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 34. Which source of energy shown in the picture is renewable? 1. Coal power plant. 2nd. Solar panel. 3rd. Wind turbine. Option A says 1 and 2. Option B says 2 and 3. Option C says 1 and 3. And option D says 1, 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B. Why? Because solar panel and wind turbine are renewable. Coal plant is not a renewable. It is non-renewable resource. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 35. A toy car moves faster when pushed harder. Which property of force does this demonstrate? A. Force always stops motion. B. Force only acts on stationary objects. C. Force affects the speed of an object. And D. Force changes the direction of motion. The correct answer is option C. Why? Because greater force is equals to more acceleration, that is equals to more speed. So correct answer is option C. Question number 36. Roots is to absorb water. Again. Question number 36. Roots absorb water, then leaf is to A. Stores nutrients, B. Performs photosynthesis, C. Supports the plant, and D. Helps in reproduction. The correct answer is option B. Performs photosynthesis. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which makes food using sunlight, so it performs photosynthesis. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 37. Which of the following statements about germination is correct? 1. Germination begins only after pollination occurs. 2nd. Germination needs water, oxygen and sunlight. 3rd. Germination can happen without water. So option A is 1 only. Option B says 2 only. Option C says 3 only. And option D says 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option B. Germination needs water, oxygen and sunlight. Our next question is question number 38. Which part is directly involved in pollination? A. Fruit, B. Flower, C. Stem, or D. Leaf birds? The correct answer is option B. Pollination happens in the flower's male and female reproductive parts. So flower is mainly involved in pollination. Question number 39. Plants' parts are adapted to different habitats. Which of the following is an adaptive feature of stem in the Thar Desert? A. Transportation of water, mineral and food. B. Food preparation and storage. C. Producing young ones. And D. Seed storage of fruit production. The correct answer is option B. Desert stems are thick and green to store water and perform photosynthesis. So food preparation and storage is the correct answer. Let's move on to our last question, that is question number 40. If a plant stem is weak and cannot stand upright, which process might be affected the most? A. Water transport to leaves. B. Photosynthesis in leaves. C. Pollination by wind. And D. Absorption of minerals from the soil. The correct answer is option B. Photosynthesis in leaves. If stem can't hold leaves upright, leaves won't get enough sunlight for photosynthesis. So option B is correct. So students, great work. This completes our sample paper 3 with detailed explanation and makes concept easy to understand for you. So the next paper I'll explain you in the next video, that is sample paper 4. Till then, keep practicing and all the best for your exams.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.